This video will show how to create an A-size border and title block. Create new drawing using Start from Scratch. Choose Imperial feet and inches. Choose OK. Starting at 0, 0, draw a rectangle that is 11 inches wide by 8.5 inches tall. The lower left corner must be at 0, 0. Zoom extents by double-clicking the wheel on the mouse. This rectangle represents an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Open the attached document found on Blackboard. You'll need to right-click and rotate the image so you can read it. This document shows all of the dimensions for our layout of our border and title block. Here's the edge of paper you just created, and then here are all the other dimensions. Just move it to the side for now, and we're going to use it to draw the border and title strip. In order to create the border, we want to choose the offset tool. Set the offset distance to 0.25 and press enter. Pick the existing rectangle and then choose a point somewhere inside. Choose enter. This action creates your border line. Whoa, that was fast. Now if you need to, you can pause, rewind, and watch it again. The next part goes fast too. I would watch first, then pause and rewind if needed. Here we go. We're going to now create the title strip. Line tool, hover your cursor, type in the distance you need. While I'm doing this, I have Polar turned on. Let me just narrate a little bit. Hover your cursor, track it in the direction you want to go, type the distance you want, and it plots a point, and now you just aim it straight down, and you can pick to complete your line segment. Pick the line tool, hover your cursor, don't pick, track it to the right, type in the distance, aim it straight down, intersect the line segment, and pick. Repeat this process. Hover, type in your distance, straight down, there you go, enter. Now another method is to copy these existing line segments that you've just drawn and specify the distance between the line segments. Or you could go back and use the hover line segment. You could use that method if you wanted to. This completes your title strip. Now later, you're going to be placing text in these boxes. So next you want to go ahead and zoom extents, and you can see the entire sheet of paper with a border and title block inside. Now you want to save your drawing as A-size border inches, and you want to place it in your CAD Borders folder. You can see on my screen that I have an A-size inches, an A-size metric, B-size inches, and B-size metric. That's what you'll eventually have. You're done with the A-size. Repeat these same steps when creating the metric border named A-size border metric. If you have further questions, meet with the instructor.